Hi guys! My name is Hoàng and I'm a teacher at the IELTS workshop. And in today's daily vlog, I'm gonna show you how to cook something to create a dish since it's the holiday season and Lunar New Year is just around the corner. So today we will be making fruit salad with passion fruit dressing. Well, I gotta say that I don't really have a knack for cooking or baking or whatsoever, so believe me, this is gonna be an incredibly simple yet lip-smacking appetizer for you guys, and you can totally recreate this dish at home and pull it off immediately. So trust me. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the recipe is super straightforward. You're gonna need jicama, apple, guava, pear, and last but not least, our star today, passion fruit. And don't forget lettuce to, garnish the dish, and our dressing, mayonnaise, and sugar. And if you can't find these ingredients, feel free to substitute them with other fruits or vegetables like cherry tomatoes or avocado or maybe bell peppers. They will work just fine. Because salad is comfort food, and think outside the box and create something one of a kind that really represents you. So first, I'm gonna cut the passion fruits in half. And next, I'm gonna use a spoon to scoop out all the intensely aromatic pulp along with the seeds out of its skin. Okay. And keep doing this with about 2 or 3 passion fruits, and we got the sauce, the juice here, and we're gonna heat it up in a saucepan with 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water until the sugar dissolves and the sauce thickens a little bit. And I'll be right back. And here is the result. As you can see, it's golden yellow and shiny. The scent of it literally sends my mind to the tropics. So for our fruits, I'm gonna wash them and peel them, and then I'm gonna cut them into bite-sized cubes like this, okay? And then I'm gonna soak them into salted lukewarm water to prevent them from browning, because we don't want anything to turn brown before use, right? So we've got our fruits ready, and now let's get back to our dressing. First, I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next, I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. So now just mix them up. I know it's hard. It's gonna be hard to mix them up, but just be patient. Mix everything up. Next, we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of water. And last but not least, our star, passion fruit. And with the juice here, okay, I'm gonna use maybe about 2 tablespoons of the sauce. And keep tasting and adjusting the flavor as you mix it in to balance the sweetness, richness of the sauce. Heaven. So I've placed everything into this big bowl right here, and our dressing is also ready, nice and shine, like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour this dressing into our fruits today, spoon by spoon. I'm done with the mixing part, and now it's time to plate. If you want, you can scoop some seeds from the sauce here and place them on top so people would know that it's passion fruit. Okay, and this is our result today. Our amazing fruit salad. Smells good and looks good. And I hope that this easy peasy recipe of this salad might come in handy to you sometime, and even if cooking is not your forte, you can still confidently tell me that you nailed it. Once again, this is Hwangmi from the IELTS workshop, and if you like this kind of video, comment, like, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next daily vlog. Bye!